Just get on the internet and search tree fails and you'll see homeowners up on ladders, cutting with the chainsaw, and a big branch comes down and sends them flying across the yard. And doctors aren't cheap. I mean, yeah, if you look at the price of a tree service, sometimes you're like, wow, it's a lot of money, but they have the insurance, they have all the tools they need to do it safely, and they know how to do it, because there's a lot that can go wrong. The backyard lift, it's a night and day difference from climbing. I mean, climbing is extremely dangerous, takes a lot of time. You got to take a lot of extra precautions to get up in a tree like this and do it safely. With the lift, I can push 4 buttons and go all the way 60 feet in the air with not even getting tired. I mean, it takes a little extra time to set up sometimes, but once you get it set up, you can just float up there. I would say climbing takes a lot longer to get good at compared to a lift. I mean, like I said, there's 4 buttons once you get it set up to make it move. There's a lot of things you need to know about how to set it up, but climbing, there's so much more that you need to worry about and think about, because I mean, you're literally 60 feet in the air hanging from a piece of plastic, and you got all this gear that you have to inspect to make sure it's good to go. So I mean, much easier to learn how to use a lift. You can train pretty much anyone how to do it, as long as they're not scared of heights. Yeah, for my crew, we usually have 3 people, sometimes 4. We have another crew that does more big projects, like big removals. So they usually have 4 or 5. The Alternamats is what they're called that we use. They're plastic. I think it's made out of high density polyethylene. They allow you to use your equipment like this, and even if the ground's wet, if you put them down, you can drive on it all day and you won't ruin someone's yard, because our customers really care about the grass most of the time. So it makes a night and day difference, because otherwise we'd be dragging this all out by hand and I'd be climbing this just because it rained all week. So they're well worth it.